Good morning student, this is your art and craft class where we'll learn to draw different things and coloring them as well. So today is 25th 5 and 2020. So put date here, okay? So students, we are going to learn today that how to draw a house. What we are going to learn to draw today? We will learn to draw a house, okay? Chouse, house. We all live in our house. So today we will draw the picture of our house. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all, we put a dot on the top, okay, like this. From this dot we will make two slanting line, okay, but make sure that both the slanting lines should be in equal size, okay. So from here we will make slanting line. You can also use a scale, okay, or you can make without scale as well. Now I am using a scale here like this, and I will make a slanting line. See, I have made one slanting line, okay. Now I am going to make then another slanting line from the same point from here, okay. Now I am gonna make it. Yes, this is another slanting line. See, I have made two slanting line. One is there and another is there. Now the next step is to draw both the slanting line with a sleeping line, okay. Now start from here. You can also use a scale like this. You can put your scale here like this, okay, and now you can make a line to join it like this. See, I have joined it. Isn't it look like a triangle? Yes, it is. It is looking like a triangle. Okay. Okay, to make a house, the next step is to make a standing line. Just leave some space here and then make a standing line. Okay. Like this. Like this. You will make a standing line. See, I have made the standing line. Now we will make another standing line here, okay, but the both standing line would be in equal size. So make a standing line like this. See, both are in equal sizes, okay. Now as we have joined the slanting line, the same way we are going to join these two standing line with a sleeping line, okay. So now I'm gonna join this sleeping line, join both the standing line with this sleeping line, okay. See, I have joined both the standing line with this sleeping line, okay. Now it is looking like a square. So simply, you first of all you will make a triangle, and then with the same line you will make a square, okay. Now the next step is to make a smallest standing line here from the bottom, center of the bottom, okay, and then make sleeping line with like this, and then again a standing line. See, like this, okay. It's a kind of rectangle. Now we are going to make a standing line from the bottom, okay. From we will go from bottom to top like this, okay. Now we will make another standing line from bottom to top, but make sure this will be similar to this one, okay, same size. Now we will join both the line with a sleeping line like this, okay. Now we will this is our door, okay. So now we need to make handle for the door. This is the handle for the door, okay. So our door is done. Now the next step is to make a window. To make a window, first of all we need to draw a square, okay. How to draw a square? We all know for the square we need 4 equal sides. See, the square is ready. Now we will make a standing line and one sleeping line inside the square. Okay, this is the window. Now we will make another window. The same way, first of all, we will make a square like this. And then we will make a standing line and then sleeping line inside the square. See, the complete picture of house is ready. Okay, so draw a house and color it. This time I am not gonna tell you that how to color and at which place which color you wish to color. Okay, color it according to you. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Good day.